Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this short tutorial you will learn how to make keyboard bigger on all iPhones. Let's get started. To increase the keyboard size in iPhone or iPad, first you open the settings app. Now swipe down to see display and brightness and tap on it. Here you will see bold text option. You have to turn it on. As soon as you turn it on, open the keyboard in any app on your iPhone, you will see the keyboard size increased. So guys, you can see that when I turn on the bold text option, the keyboard size gets bigger, and when I turn it off, it gets smaller. You can clearly see the difference between the two. So this is the very easy way to make your keyboard text bigger. That's it. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.